I have to work on my control patterns all the time. And at the same time, I think there's a level of surrender that needs to happen. And that comes with it's, if you've experienced trauma, it doesn't feel safe a lot of time to lean on other people, to trust, because maybe you've had bad experiences in the past where you were abandoned or you relied on somebody and XYZ happened, some negative consequence. And so that's why the inner work is so important, because it's almost showing and retraining your brain and body that it is safe for me to lean on this other person, to trust. And the same goes even for, I'm thinking, with Eric and I mean, we've been together for 5 years, but I'm so grateful because I can really, like right now, he's going to the hot dog shop and I'm like, hey, can you grab me some chili? Something that simple, speaking up. And he's like, yep, no problem. Some women are like, well, I do it all in the house. I clean, I cook, da 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 da. There's a payoff, but there's also, it's costing you something, right? It's that pressure, it's that anxiety that, just ask yourself, is there a way that I can make this easier?